Hey, I'm at this house. I want to show you how to rehab a home. I've been going through a lot of different homes that the rehabs are not done correctly. This one's done correctly. Let's go inside and check it out. This is the house that we're going to rent for rent at $1,300 a month. This one has central air, and as you can see, we put some nice vinyl flooring in right here. That really holds up. That's going to hold up 5 to 8 years. Great basic paint. I mean, it's just really stunning. And not only will this house get a great tenant, it'll hold up during the rental stage. So when you're doing rental rehab, that's not a flip rehab. It still needs to look nice though. You can see all the ceilings are painted, all the walls, plugs, switches, lights. We always have our carbon monoxide and smoke detectors. Property management comes in here and checks all that out too to make sure that's good. One thing I like about this bedroom, I'm going to go upstairs. I'm not going to take you to the whole house, but I'm going to show you why we bought this house. So, as you go through here, this first one has a really nice one-car garage. This one doesn't have a basement, but it has a nice laundry room right here, and it has a first floor bedroom, which is super crucial. When you're doing any kind of rehab, you want to make sure it's done right. So I personally come out and check these for my clients, and I want to show you one more thing up here. Again, you can see this has got the carbon monoxide right here and a smoke detector right there. Look how big these bedrooms are. We don't put any carpet in, we stick with the vinyl. This is a rental rehab. So this particular rehab ran about $17,500. That's for everything. We snaked all the plumbing, that's super important. Serviced the heater, the air conditioner, and did all this remodeling. Even the quarter round around the baseboard. It's very good. So when we get ready to flip it, it'll be very easy. We'll just paint it and do some kitchen updating and tear out some walls down the bottom and we'll be ready to sell. But this floor should hold up just fine for the life of this investor's home as long as he has. And the other thing I liked about this one too was it did have an upstairs full bath too. Very rare. But these bedrooms are big. This is a rental rehab, but a rental rehab still needs to look good. And it does. So if you're looking to buy income real estate and you want someone to truly have a turnkey system where you don't have to come in these houses, you're going to get update videos every week. You're going to get before and after pictures, and we're going to keep it in budget. And we're going to get the rents we tell you we're going to get you. So give me a call. I'm Brett with Fathom Realty, 216-703-5740, 216-703-5740. I'm also on WhatsApp, and like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks, have a great day.